Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the swept cut feature. So the swept cut is pretty similar to a swept boss base, except you're removing material. So again, you have a certain profile and then a path, and it'll follow that path and remove material. So um, we'll go ahead and get started. So you can see here we have gonna have a cylinder. So these are good for applications where maybe you have a hole that you want to go through the part, like it needs to pass through something as an example. So here we're gonna sketch something. Actually, yeah, so you could have like two circles here, for instance. We're gonna have one circle on the top here, and then maybe a second circle here, different location. So I'm not gonna dimension this just for the sake of showing. And we're gonna do normal, and then this is the front plane. I'm gonna do another sketch, so maybe some fancy curves from center to center. So here you can see I have my two paths, and there's a profile that connects it. And then actually, for this one, we only need to have one profile, but we could see if it follows through. So we could do here, select a profile. Let me clear this. Could choose a profile, and then here's a path. Okay, so you can see that it doesn't like it if you choose two. So what we should really do here is make this a point, or you could make this for construction because that's not going to actually be used for the path. And you can see here that our path has been created. And in this case, because it's inside the body, it's kind of hard to see. So you could do like a wire view. So you can see how you have something passing through here. So this might be something you're creating some sort of tunnel where maybe water is feeding through. You could design something like this. But that is a cut sweep for you, swept cut, also called that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.